Greetings and salutations, your average rider here. Let's install SW-Motech Kobra Handguards. So some modifications we do because they look good, and other modifications we do out of necessity. Not to say that those don't look good as well. This definitely happens to be based out of necessity. So this is my brother's 2018 Kawasaki Versys 650, and unfortunately, if you look close enough, you can see that it's missing the right-hand side fairing. And if you look even closer, you may even be able to see that the right turn signal is just dangling by a wire. So the bike unfortunately had been dropped and the turn signal had pushed into the fairing and cracked the fairing. Replaced the fairing, and about a week after this, unfortunately, the bike was dropped again. And at $200 a pop for the fairing to replace, it just made more sense. I suggested, why don't we get rid of those turn signals that it's going to break the fairing every time we drop it, and throw some of these handguards with the built-in turn signals in instead. Hence the reason for this modification. Let's get back to it. video helpful at all, I'd appreciate a like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.